If you import power machines to Europe or Latin America, you already know the painful truth. Ocean freight costs can eat your profit alive. Every cubic meter of empty space in a container is money burned. Welcome to the BISON Factory. Today we are revealing the profit amplifier of the shipping era. This is our 180K gasoline high pressure washer. Today we are going to show you how our engineers kept all the premium features your retail customers demand. Usually, to save shipping space, factories strip away the best accessories, but not here. 180K is built for premium showroom floor. It features a built-in L340 hose reel and a massive 20-meter high-pressure hose. Under the hood, it is powered by a 7 HP engine and our maintenance-free P180 pump, delivering 200 bar of max pressure, backed by a solid 1-year warranty. Its 150-hour lifespan easily outperforms the industry standard. It looks expensive, it feels expensive, and it sells fast. Our engineers completely redesigned the handle breakdown and wheel storage positions. This allows us to reduce the carton length to 73.5 centimeters. But we don't sacrifice safety. We use 7-layer heavy-duty craft cartons equipped with air column bags. Now, for B2B logic, a standard premium washer setup might only fit 349 units in a 40 high-Q container. But for our 180K, it can fit 399 units in a same container. This is 50 extra machines shipped by free. Since your freight cost per container is fixed, those 50 extra machines mean more profit for you. You get the premium showroom appeal with the logistic cost of a basic model. Stop letting ocean freight dictate your profit. Maximize your next container with our 180K high pressure washer, the ultimate high profit factory direct powerhouse. Click the link below to chat with our professional sales team on WhatsApp directly. Let's calculate your landed costs and build a high profit order for your market. Subscribe for more BISON Factory insights, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about our pressure washers, cleaning tests, accessories, packaging, or OEM solutions, please check the recommended video on the end screen. Subscribe to our BISON channel. You will see more machinery videos, factory tests, and product guides.